And we're live.
All right, it is the end of the night, and we are back where we started, in the famous boiler room. This is where everybody likes to play, it seems like, so we thought we'd come down for the last half an hour to play, or talk, or communicate with whoever's here with us. If there's anybody here with us right now, please make your presence known. So is there somebody with us? Can you talk to us? Can you tell us your name? Awfully quiet in here. You don't want to disappoint us at the end of the night, do you? Is there anybody in the room with Mateo? Don't be shy. Come on out. Dance with Mateo.
Come dance.
Can you make any kind of noise to let us know you're here? Can you tap on the wall like this?
That grid's pretty dim all of a sudden.
Yeah, big time, dude.
Yeah.
You're in this room over here? Where are you at? Come talk to us.
Well, that was weird.
What?
I flicked off my IR light to try to get a better video of the blinking laser grid, and it stopped blinking just as I did that.
That's probably the first. Okay, flashlight off. That's probably the first real laser grid action we've had tonight.
Yeah. Other than the shifting stars, yeah, which was awesome.
Can you mess with the laser grid again? That was cool. Can you pulsate it again? Step out of the room and see. Maybe you're freaking them out.
Could be.
Okay, my buddy's stepping out of the room. Can you make the green laser grid go on and off again?
Flashlights.
You can do it. Here, I'll change the pattern a little bit. See if you like this better. You like that better? If you don't,
Light keeps flipping.
change it. Let's pretty much kill this one over here. This grid over here is dull as hell.
Yeah, you can't even really see it on the camera.
Can you tell us your name? Come up and say hi to us. Say hello. Can you turn that laser grid off? Can you? We were messing with it a second ago. You still with us? Come forward. Drag your feet on the ground like this. It's all good. Are you scared of us? Boo. Guess you're not scared of us. You shadow freaked me in a second. All of a sudden I saw the shadow right here and I was like, oh, it's him. I was like, cool. I asked how we see.
Yeah.
There's a slight hit there on the roof.
So we are on the EVP. Marking at 13 minutes. Looks like we only have 20 seconds left of space.
Okay, well, all right. Well, we only got 20 seconds more to talk to you on the audio.
10 seconds.
All right, well, we're out of here. 10 seconds. End of EVP session. Bye. Boiler room, bye.
And there it went by itself. Card fall.
Okay, well,